Alam mo, dito sa army, no, sa military parlance, may guerrilla tactics. Lahat na ng alam nila kailangan gamitin na dito sa fourth set na ito para tumagal ito. Hindi kailangan protracted struggle ito.
Kailangan ma-master na nila yung art of war.
Ano na ito? Ang bigat talaga ng paa nila nung second and third set, lalo na nung third set. In the meantime, we're not at one. Sue Rosses got some licks in and she was delighted with a big spike she had in that third set. Pasok na pasok. Samantala, Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Labas ang paang reception ni Dakis. Hindi pumunta sa setter, pumunta sa labas.
Well, you know, talaga parang it's a different army squad. No?
I agree.
We've never seen them in such a disarray. Near the net.
One-hander by Alarga, still playable though. Nuna got to it nicely. Dakis hinampas. Gohing. Yan ang gusto ko kay Gohing. Yung nilipad yung kamay. Oh! Dakis with a huge block on Valdez.
Oh, that's perfect timing for you.
The trick there is to not look at the blocker, at the spiker. Look at the toss. In the meantime, Sultanes, sloppy reception.
Well, speaking of Sultanes, she was actually the top scorer in that third set together with Cassini. As you can see, and Gonzaga and Balse for Army.
Roger was telling them, mali ang choreography ni Sultanes. Bola ni Gohing yun eh.
Oo, that's true.
Bakit malakas? Mukhang akin eh. 3-all.
Biglang lumiko.
Nicely done by Bunag but kept in play. Valdez is coming.
She just enjoys herself every time she gets that kill. Parang bata na, okay! Okay, pero sa kabila, ang lakas naman ito.
Kinakain mo. 4-3 ang bill. Gaano karaming modyos bang inuubos mo sa Shakey's? Minsan naman ito'y lumabas. Ito'y 4-all na. You hate it when you make those serves. When you got this momentum going of a good serve, of a good spike that...
Yes. Grr.
Tabla tayo sa 4. Ooh, and even that is frustrating.
Oh, that's back-to-back service errors para sa Army.
Crowd bristling with excitement as Eliza Valdez serves Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Nicely done. And I would have gone to this lady kanina pa.
Yes. Anong set natin? Anong set?
Second.
Yeah, second, third.
Ito, girl next door din ang dating pero gritty din ito eh. When she's in the game and she pumps herself and she makes the sign of the cross twice.
Yes.
You know she's in the game. Nene, Gohing. Hello. Lakas lang.
Running back line. Running back row attack. I love it when, you know, all these players, they do ad-libs because malayo yung set or gusto paluin.
One day, she's going to do running na parang nasa front row siya pero back row siya.
Patatras yung lahat.
Patatras. Mintis. Hindi nagustuhan ni Cotroang. Ito ay labas.
I saw her reaction, ha? Pareho tayo. Pareho tayo. Oo nga eh. Tapos yung kilay niya, di ba, sumalubong.
Hello.
Ang ganda ng talon ko eh.
Diba, hindi pa sila masyado nagkakasunduan eh. Diba? Ayun, nagtatay na. Sikis ng pakialamera nandun.
Si pakialamera.
Samantala ay regalo. Tinaas. Palo!
Easy does it para kay Cassini.
Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's Wheel League. The Thais talking together there. 7-6 tally.
Binubuli nila si Ruby De Leon.
Mamaya pag-usapan natin dalawa. Ruby has been feeding the hungry wolves of her spikers quite well here. Oh, I knew it.
And si Ruby De Leon's the one who was pumped in that play.
Yan. Sawa kayo dyan. Una sila sa technical timeout. Rina?